Hello everyone! Promoting an Instagram post can be essential to your campaign. This way, your business can profit and your audience can grow. Let's see some steps in order to promote one. Leads, you can take it from here.
Hello everyone, Leads here. Instagram posts can be promoted and they're labeled as sponsored ones. You can promote new Instagram posts or some older ones, depending on which post is more important to you at the moment. Almost each post can be promoted just by following the rules. To promote your post from Instagram, you have to tap on the promote button under your post. The new window will show up. What would you like to promote? Your profile. If you want to increase the size of your Instagram followers, you'll promote your Instagram profile through post. Your website. This type of promotion destination you use when you want your followers to go to your website. You can always change the website address by simply tapping here. Here you have additional buttons. Learn more, shop now, and so on, depending on what kind of content are you promoting. For example, if you have an online shop, dropshipping, you will promote it through the Shop Now button that leads right to your desired page or product. This way, people will be able to see the prices and buy directly from you. If you're promoting a movie, you can use the Watch Now option so people can look at the longer trailers, how the movie was made, behind the scenes featurettes, and so on. Your direct messages. This part links ads to your DM. For example, if you're a psychologist or tutor, people can get in touch with you directly. Audience. Special ad category. This is a special category, and if you're into politics, elections, credit, housing business, be sure to check this part on. If you don't, it may occur that your ad won't be active and your account can be blocked. Automatic. Instagram will target people similar to your followers, but if you want to reach a specific target group, create your audience. How? Tap on the Create Your Own. First, name your audience. Choose the location. Choose the country or town, state or city. Adding a broad range of locations can cover the larger group of followers and customers. But if you have a local business, focus on your area. You can do it by going on Local tab and choose the radius by moving this button to the left, decreasing, or to the right, increasing the radius. At any given time, you'll be able to see how many potential Instagram profiles you could reach. Interests. Add different interests simply by typing. If you're selling jewelry, your keywords for these interests would be jewelry, ring, jewel, handmade, handmade jewelry, and so on. Age, gender. Do you know your target group? If you're selling books for small kids, your core target group will be their parents, 20 to 40 years old. If you're selling video games, your core target group will be 13 to 18 years old. Choose a year range by moving these dots. If you're selling stockings, the core target should be mainly women, so if you want, check only the women box. Now, when that is set up, tap to the arrow for the next part of the promotion. At the end, you can always save the audience and reuse it when it's necessary. Budget and duration. Promotion from Instagram is not a detailed one as it is when you promote from Facebook's Ad Manager, for example. Choose the budget per day and choose for how many days you want your campaign to last. The longer the campaign exists, the bigger the chance it will get a higher reach, impressions, and conversions. Set your goals, think about it twice before you decide to promote your post, and what you want to achieve. Your promotion will appear in Feed, Stories, and Explore on Instagram. Instagram will automatically adjust this promoted post to be formatted in the desired Instagram form. This is how it looks like when promoted as a post. And this is how it looks like when promoted post is set as a story. For example, you're promoting the post that is in 1080 by 1080 pixel resolution, but on Instagram Stories, it will look like this. Now your ad is ready to start. Sometimes Instagram takes a few minutes to approve it, but sometimes you'll have to wait a day or two. They're trying to be really quick in approving, so be patient and while waiting, create new posts, business plans, and marketing strategies. Well, that's all for me in this video tutorial. See you in the next one.
Thank you, Leads. You've been very helpful.